Trap is basically beginning from the Queen's Gambit accepted variation, which is d4, d5, c4, d takes c4. This is the Queen's Gambit accepted variation. In here white should play knight c3. In this position if black plays c5, we are ready to trap him, so the next move for white is e3. For this position, most popular move for black is c takes d4. Now our knight is attacked from the pawn. If you make this far, this is the time to play the trappiest move for white. It is bishop takes c4, and we are offering to our opponent to take the knight. If he get our knight, it's time to cry for him, because after bishop takes f7 check. Sorry for interrupt the trap, it's time to quick flashback. This trap is coming from a game, which is played by Donnelly vs Pollington in 1963. In this game black resign after bishop takes f7 check. Now let's go back to the video. The only way for avoid the check is king takes bishop. After that, boom, here goes the black's queen, and this was a beautiful queen trap. Hope you guys enjoy the video. In my next videos let's see some other traps for the Queen's Gambit opening. Don't forget to subscribe, otherwise you can miss beautiful traps like this. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on my next videos. Have a nice day.